about your secrets.
No,
Right.
I don't wear them all the time. This is going to be tricky. Do you want me to put this on? You've been eating garlic.
Is it?
Like a horse.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very, very exciting guest in the house. It is my mother. She's finally agreed to do a video with me. I am filming this the day after we actually filmed this video because I had every intention of putting this video up as kind of like do my mum's makeup and making her look nice and glam. But the way it turned out was completely different to that. And now I'm going to call it why you shouldn't do your mother's makeup. Now my mum loves her makeup just as much as I do, so she is very, very, very picky. So if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you here. So don't forget to click on that red subscribe button. Also click on that notification bell that will alert you of all of my upcoming videos. I'm posting every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays. And if you want to see what went completely wrong in this video, then just keep watching. So this is my lovely mother. So first of all, I've gone in and I've just done mum's foundation. I've used a little bit of skincare today. So I've used the Makeup Revolution serum. This one is the hyaluronic acid and then the 5% caffeine and hyaluronic acid, which is for the under eye. And then I've just primed mum's skin with some SMASHBOX Professional. And also the foundation that I've used is from my RCMA palette. This is what I use on clients mainly, and I've just used this colour right here. So mum likes to go slightly darker with her foundation just because she wears fake tan, so I just want it to match the rest of her body. I've stippled this foundation on with a brush and then I've just gone over the top with a beauty blender just to kind of smooth it out and make sure it's nice and blended. But I really like the coverage on this foundation and it's really nice sort of creamy foundation. Mum's got quite dry skin, so therefore it's not going to cling to any dry patches and it's going to look as flawless as possible. So now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of the Becca Under Eye highlighter and that's just going to neutralise some of the darkness underneath mum's eyes. Although mum hasn't got a lot of dark circles, it's just going to help before we put the concealer on. So once I've done that, I want to go in and blend out some concealer. I'm not going to go too bright underneath the eyes. So I'm just going to be taking a little bit of the shade Honey, and this is from the Bobbi Brown palette. If you look up, Mum. And I'm just going to kind of dab that concealer on. I'm not going to go too crazy with it, just because Mum doesn't really need it. And I don't want to make that area look cakey. Do you not want to talk? Look up.
No.
I'm also going to run a little bit of that concealer over Mum's eyelids. This is just to kind of make sure that that area is nice and flawless as well, and also give the eyeshadow a little bit of something to stick to. The skin looks lovely on camera. Okay, so I'm just adding a little bit of cream contour to Mum's face, and I'm just dipping it back into the RCMA palette for this and just using one of the darker shades. Right, so now I'm going to be taking a little bit of the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter powder and I'm just going to set Mum's face with this. Right, so now I'm just going to add a little bit around Mum's face. This is just literally just to set the foundation. This is what Mum normally does anyway. And I don't really want to leave it on the skin for too long. I'm just going to wipe away the excess like straight away and work on sections of the face. How good your skin looks.
Do these sort of powders would cost a fortune to use every day, wouldn't they?
No, this powder's about 30. Probably a bit less than that actually.
Well, it's a lot of money. Only it's paying a £5.
Yeah, but that's not very good, that one that you use.
Don't you think so?
No.
Good enough though, isn't it?
No. This is going to make your skin look really like flawless, you know, but without looking too cakey,
isn't it?
No, it ain't. That's the thing. I'm gonna show you.
Yeah, I don't know about the gingery tones, like the foundation.
Yeah, no, that's gonna be. I won't worry about that.
All right.
Is it smooth enough?
Yeah, that feels smooth.
Yeah.
Feels more clingy, that cakey.
I don't really want to contour your nose.
No. Make it look worse, wouldn't it?
I could add a little bit.
What, that you're contouring the nose, but it's just going to make it look thinner, isn't it? Which I don't want.
No, it's not. I'm going to balance out the shape of it. Right, so I'm taking the Kevin Aquan sculpting powder, and I'm just going to add some contour to Mum's cheeks. If you just look over there for me, just over there. So I'm going to be taking a little bit of the Hourglass bronzer, and I'm just going to be going over the areas where I just put that contour, and I'm just going to kind of intensify it a little bit more. So Mum actually went to Charlotte Tilbury the other day, didn't you?
I did.
And I thought it would be good to use this on camera today because it can sort of give you an idea of how to use it yourself, like going forward. So Mum actually picked up this blusher. So this one is colour Ecstasy, and it's got like 2 tones, isn't it? Mm-hmm. So you can use them together or individually. How did the man on the counter say to you?
He said you've got to use the one on the outside there.
Right.
And that one.
Oh, on the centre. Yeah. Okay. So we'll give that a go. So I'm just taking a little bit of the centre colour. What, Mum? So I'm just going to stipple a bit of this blush on the cheek. Just add a little bit more colour to Mum. That actually looks really, really nice, doesn't it?
I like it.
It's a lovely colour. So now I'm going to take a little bit of the shade outside.
That was for the cheekbones.
What?
That was for the cheekbones.
Okay,
outside.
Yeah. So it gives quite a nice sheen, doesn't it? Mm. So I'm going to use...
Like it.
It's lovely. So I'm going to use a little bit of highlighter today. I'm not going to use too much because I don't want to emphasise any fine lines and things like that. Not that you have any, Mum, because your skin is flawless. But I'm going to be taking a little bit of the Becca Moonstone, and the reason why I like this highlighter the most is because it's really, really subtle, so it's perfect to add just a little bit of highlight to without looking too much, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to add a little bit to Mum's cheekbones. I'm also going to add a little bit to her nose as well, just the areas where the light would naturally hit. Okay, so as you can see, that's added a really nice kind of sheen to the skin without it looking too harsh. So I just want to set that in place. So I just like to take a little bit of the MAC Fix Plus, and I'm just going to spray Mum's face to set it all in place. What?
It's wet.
Don't you use this at home?
No, I don't like it.
Really?
No, it makes you look. Then I think it makes it look cakey.
No, it doesn't.
And it's probably maybe fringe go damp.
So I'm just going to do Mum's brows. Mum has, is it microblading that you have done?
Mm.
The microblading. So they're pretty much already done. But I'm just going to go over because sometimes when you put the foundation on, it takes away the colour. Right, go and fix your hair and then start again. Okay, so Mum actually picked up this palette. This one is the Dolce Vita palette from Charlotte Tilbury. So we're going to do kind of like an everyday look, but for most people this will probably be quite glam. So I'm going to take a little bit of this kind of purpley, well it's not really, it's like a garnet I suppose. And I'm just going to blend this through Mum's crease.
Sounds terrible. Is that the reddy one?
Yeah.
It's quite a strong colour for the... They're saying to put that all over the eyelid, aren't they?
Oh really?
Mm.
I'm going to use it in the crease. I'm going to use it in a little bit on the outer corner as well. I'm just going to kind of build it up. Mum's actually got really, really good shape eye.
Thank you, Laura. Quite heavy colour.
What?
It's a heavy colour.
Well, it's not. So I'm going to take a little bit of this darker shade right here, and I'm going to focus this on the outer corner.
They make the eyes look blue, don't they?
Yeah, they will do once I've finished.
But the problem is, I probably wouldn't have gone so heavy like that.
Right, now taking this sort of bronzy shade, I'm going to sort of add it here as well. It's got quite a lot of shimmer in it, so I'm just going to focus it on the outer half of the eye. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the lighter shade. Close your eyes, Mum. Just going to pop it here. I'm also going to highlight the brow bone, this colour. And then going back in with the bronzy shade and just patting it on top. It's actually really nice, that is. It's got a lot of glitter in it.
Does it work better when you put it on your finger?
Yeah, if you press it on.
Right, I wasn't sure. It's subtle, that is.
Yeah, it is. It's lovely though.
So wouldn't you blend that in a bit more though? Or?
Okay, so Mum picked up this pencil as well. This is the colour Bronzed Garnet. So I'm going to use this underneath Mum's eyes. If you look up for Mum.
What are you smudging that out with?
Just a pencil brush. Why?
Let's have a look at that. Oh, right.
Why?
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
I use that for eyeshadow.
That is for eyeshadow.
Oh, see, I wouldn't do take it down like that.
Why?
Do you think it's too heavy for me?
No. Right, come on, quick. I've got to do it.
Oh, dear.
Alright, close. So now I'm just using a cotton wool bud to just soften the edges as well.
You've been eating garlic? Are you sure you haven't been eating garlic?
I don't know, have I? Yeah.
Like a horse.
Back off. So this is the mascara that Mum also bought from Charlotte Tilbury. So I'm going to get Mum to do a coat of mascara herself.
Where are you going to put that then?
On your eyes.
Oh, but what I'm going to say, we're going to have balsam.
Yeah, but you got a coat. You got to put some mascara on first. You can do that.
Right, where are we going to put it? Oh, just on the bottom?
No, on the top.
I don't put eyelash curlers on.
Yeah, no. Good. And the other eye?
The other eye?
Yeah. Do a good coat. That's
Waste
it.
of time, that is.
No. Right, so Mum normally wears false eyelashes as well.
Not all the time.
Oh, not all the time, okay. Well, most of the time you do. So anyway, so she really likes the Demi Wispies.
No, I don't all the time.
What do you mean?
I don't so wear them all the time.
Why?
I think people want my secrets.
No one cares about your secrets.
No,
Right.
I don't wear them all the time. No, I don't wear them all the time.
You don't wear them all
No,
the
just
time.
every now and again.
Just every now and again. All right. Well, anyway, so these are the Ardell Demi Wispy eyelashes. And Mum really likes these because these are like the most natural without looking too heavy. So I'm just going to measure them to Mum's eye because Mum never ever cuts the eyelashes, do you? So they always
Put
look...
a lot on.
Yeah. Yeah, but then it starts to curl at the bottom. So you definitely got to kind of match it to your eyes. Right, so look down slightly to me. Right, close. So, really, you need a good bit chopped off of that.
How much?
I'll show you.
I only take one section. Oh, no. No. No.
Yeah.
That's half the eyelash gone.
No, it ain't.
I can use that tomorrow. Not an everyday look, is it? For a 50-odd-year-old woman.
Why not?
Well, because they would think, oh my God, that's far too much makeup on her. So you're not a lover of that eyeshadow on me?
I'm sort of warming to it now that I'm putting the eyelashes on and things, but personally, I think I would have gone for orangey tones.
But that is the orangiest one.
No, it's not, because it's like really kind
Not
of
in
purpley.
Charlotte Tilbury. Do you not like it?
No, I like it, but I would like to put some like orangey browns on you because I think they really complement your blue eyes. Exactly.
This is going to be tricky. Do you want me to put this on?
This is what I do for a living. And then the little bit that we had, that I cut off, I'm just going to stick back on the end of it. Oh, Mum, close your eyes. Just on the outer corner. Open. So it just gives a little bit more of a flick.
Yeah, but do you not think that's all too much for someone like me?
This is like your glam, aren't you? You're going out tonight, that's why.
Yeah.
Aren't you? Where are you going to?
We're going clubbing.
You're going clubbing?
No.
I bet you're thinking, oh, I don't like that. Wait
I'm
until
not showing them eyebrows either.
Right.
I usually do them thicker than that anyway.
Do you? Close? I can go thicker if you want. Right, so what we want you to do now is look down and that way. So look down and that way, that's it.
So that joins the eyelash on to
Yeah.
the line.
Okay, so taking a little bit of this dark brown eyeshadow and a winged liner brush. Close your eyes, Mum. It's going to press this over the top of the lash line.
I'd have rather put my false eyelashes on right then.
No.
Because I stick them on like that.
Do they feel more comfortable?
Not really, no.
Oh, you don't put black eyeliner in the waterline?
No.
See,
Just close. I think you just close it in.
No, but what I want to do is put it underneath the top one. So.
Oh, shall I do it?
Right, are you going to do your bottom lash mascara?
Yeah.
Go on then. So this is, what one is this?
Pillow, no.
Pillow Talk.
Is it?
Yeah, Pillow Talk lip liner.
I don't think it is it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh.
So we're going to line the lips with a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Okay, so we're going to take a little bit of this shade, also from Charlotte Tilbury, called Bitch Perfect. Bitch Perfect.
Ideal.
So what do you think?
Lovely.
You happy?
Yeah, very.
I love the skin
Well
makeup.
done.
Yeah,
Well
thanks.
done.
Thanks.